What's up, y'all? So I know it's been a minute since you have seen a lace frontal wig from me, but I am back with a new poppin' wig, and y'all, this wig right here, this wig right here, girl, it is not to be played with. This is not a game. This wig is so natural looking, it even blew my mind. Like, girl, is that your hair? Really, sis? Is that your hair? Y'all, this wig is so freaking pretty. Like, I'm geeked about this wig. So if you are interested in seeing, which I hope you are, seeing how I got this wig to look so damn good, you already know what you gotta do. Keep on watching. First thing first, before we get into the specs on this wig, big shout out to OMGHerHair for sponsoring this beautiful wig in today's video. So this is their Kinky textured lace frontal wig. Okay, so now that we got that out the way, let's dive right into the specs on this beautiful wig. So the length of the wig that I have in is 16 inches and the density is 150%. This wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline, and it comes with 2 inches of bleached knots in the front of the wig. And so now it's time to get into the hairline and find out exactly what this wig is working with. And I'm cutting off some of the extra lace because it's just all in the way. And girl, I hate when this happens, but my hot comb is not even hot because it wasn't even on, so had to let that get warmed up before I start pressing out the roots. Now this is a great way of finding out, if your knots bleached properly, if your hairline is plucked properly, if you over plucked in certain areas. Like pressing out the roots on your wigs before styling, you're going to be able to get a better idea of, what you may need to go in and finesse a little bit. So see, this is why I love OMGHerHair. Check out the hairline on this wig. It looks really good. I did go in and pluck just a little bit, but I really just followed the outline of the pre-plucked hairline. So after the hairline is pressed out, this is what I'm working with. Hairline looks really good, y'all, and the 150% density on this particular hair texture is amazing. I think 150 is the best texture to get when you have this kinky texture. Like, look how beautiful this wig looks without applying any type of like flat iron to the hair, no blow drying. Like, the hair literally looks like a blowout, like literally super cute. So as you can see, you get 6 inches of parting space on this lace wig, whether you part on the side or in the middle. And for today's look, I am going to be doing a side part with some really cute edges, girl. Yes. So I'm going to continue to press out the hair and get this hair as smooth and as flat as possible, especially because this is a thicker texture. So I just want to make sure everything is flat and blended. And for the record, I have a love-hate relationship with this stuff right here, which is the Glueless knot. I am using this gel to lay down my baby hairs, and really the main reason why I hate this product in a way is because it does not have the superior hold like the Got to Be Glued, but then I love it because it does give a more softer look to the baby hairs where it doesn't look so harsh. So I don't know, I have a love-hate relationship with it. And then like the texture of this product, like I can get with the idea of, you know, it looking like snot, but like the string that's attached to it, like I hate it. It gets everywhere. So that's another part of why I kind of hate this product, but it does work. It's just a little messy at times. So I'm not doing anything drastic with my baby hairs, but I am loving the new way I do my baby hairs. Like, girl, look at that swoop. Swoop, bitch, okay? Love it. So in case you are thinking about purchasing this wig or just buying a kinky wig in general, y'all, you cannot go wrong with this wig texture at all. Even if you wore this hair in its natural state where you applied no heat, as you saw in the beginning of this video, the wig looks beautiful. And now that you see I'm straightening the hair, it still looks beautiful. Now I will say this, in order to get like a very smooth, straight, sleek look, you will have to apply a lot of heat and work in sections just to make sure you get every strand. But the one thing that I love about this wig is it's not going to be bone straight. It's going to have some weight to it, it's going to have some texture to it, and it's going to have some thickness and fullness to it. It is definitely going to look like your natural hair. If that's the look that you're trying to achieve when you're purchasing a lace frontal wig, this is the texture for you. However, I will say it does require a little bit of work, especially if you're going for a straight look. But if you like volume and thickness in your hair when you are wearing a straight texture, sis, get you this wig. This wig is what you really need in your life. Look how beautiful this wig is, and honestly, I could go in and straighten the hair even more, but I like it just like this, y'all. I am so in love. So I'm going to add a little bit of layers to the front of this wig just to kind of frame my face a little bit, which I really don't know why I did, because one thing about me, I don't like cutting my wigs at all. Like, if my wigs got length to it, I want it to stay that way. I don't like chopping up my hair, but I don't know, for some reason with this look I felt like doing that. But girl, as you can see, I ain't cut off much, honey, because I'm like, girl, what you doing? You know we don't do this. So normally to tame my flyaways, I would use hair mousse, but I am going in with the IC Spritz, and I'm going to spray that directly on my flyaways just to make sure everything is smooth and flat. And I also got this idea from Sochar. Love her YouTube channel. I'll try to remember to put the link below so you guys can check her out. She is super bomb and super talented with her wig installs. Oh yeah, this wig is hella pretty. So as you can see, the wig does get straightened, it does lay flat, and it does look so damn good, y'all. So I'm going to jazz it up just a little bit. Right here I'm just whipping my hair so you can see how good the gel holds to my hair so that it doesn't come up. So I'm going to do like a 90s swoop real quick, and then I'm going to add like a little cute headband that I got from one of these wig companies. I don't remember which one, but it was in one of the headband wigs packaging, and I said, y'all, this headband is cute. I've been seeing this look all over Instagram, so I said, let me put it on, especially because it goes cute with my little pink crop top, and it ended up turning out to be a real cute look that jazzed up the hairstyle as well. Y'all, this is like one of the most slept on hair textures in the wig game. Like, everybody needs to have this wig texture. Like, you cannot go wrong with this texture. Like, everybody who has ever purchased a yaki texture wig always like DMs me and say, look, I tried the wig like you said, and the texture is bomb as hell. Y'all, I promise you, this texture wig is a bomb, but you got to get it from OMG Her Hair. Everything will be below. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.